Hello friends, welcome to the World Air Forces. Royal Australian Air Force. Founded 31 March 1921. Total 245 plus aircrafts. Combat aircrafts. FA-18EF Super Hornet, origin United States, type multi-role, in service 24. F-35 Lightning II, origin United States, type multi-role, in service 54. Airborne Early Warning and Control aircrafts. Boeing 737, origin United States, type Airborne Early Warning and Control, in service 6. Electronic Warfare aircrafts. EA-18G Growler, origin United States, type Radar Jamming, in service 11. Maritime Patrol aircrafts. P-8, origin United States, type Anti-Submarine Warfare, in service 12. AP-3C Orion, origin United States, type Anti-Submarine Warfare, in service 2. Aerial Refueling aircrafts. Airbus A330 MRTT, origin Spain, type Aerial Refueling, in service 7. Transport aircrafts. Boeing 737, origin United States, type VIP Transport, in service 2. C-17 Globemaster III, origin United States, type Strategic Airlifter, in service 8. C-27J Spartan, origin Italy, type Transport, in service 10. Super King Air, origin United States, type Transport, in service 8. Dassault Falcon 7X, origin France, type VIP Transport, in service 3. C-130J Super Hercules, origin United States, type Tactical Airlifter, in service 12. Trainer aircrafts. BAE Hawk, origin United Kingdom, type Primary Trainer, in service 33. Pilatus PC-21, origin Switzerland, type Trainer, in service 49. Super King Air, origin United States, type Multi-Engine Trainer, in service 4.